Portable protection. Keep your phone and other essentials clean by utilizing patented pop-up technology and UV-C LED sanitizing. After use, conveniently collapse flat to transport between your purse, backpack, suitcase, gym bag and more to kill up to 99.9% of bacteria and viruses at the DNA level. Full coverage. With 2 UV-C Germicidal LEDs at 70 cycles per charge, completely surround your phone for optimal sanitizing in just 30 seconds per side. Lighting position ensures maximum coverage and effectiveness. Safe sanitizing. Free of mercury and chemicals with an advanced safety lock to prevent UV exposure. Sanitize and disinfect both sides of your item in just 1 minute with rechargeable LEDs that last for thousands of uses. Safe to use around children and pets. Multi-use functionality. Designed to fit a variety of phone sizes as well as jewelry, glasses, keys, credit cards, makeup brushes, and essential items. Perfect for home, office, car or travel use. What's in the box? HoMedics UV Clean Portable Phone Sanitizer, 1-year warranty. Top reviews from the United States. Pretty cool device. Bigger than I imagined it, it fits an iPhone 11 with the case on, which obviously you should remove anyway. Also, I've used it for keys, watches, stethoscope head and earpieces, thermometers and more medical gear. What I do know, UV light has been used in the medical field for this purpose and there's many studies about its effectiveness. That being said, am I 100% sure it works? Well, no. I did put my phone inside while recording and I could see a light barely visible that activates. Anyway, I rather take all precautions for me and everyone around me.